Good morning, team. This is a great news for all of us, no? So, because we will be able to deliver our promise to our teammates, no, na na-diagnose ng critical illness, no, yung CKD, no, chronic kidney disease, stage 5. So, this is very good news sa team natin and of course to our clients, no, na nagtiwala kay ProLife UK. So the profile is of course, no, FA siya, nag-financial advisor siya, the same time legal secretary. Tapos 6 months pa lang yung policy, no. So nag-start yung policy ng June 2023 and then na-diagnose siya no January 2024, I think January 4, no. Tapos na-confine din siya. So ang policy niya is 3.5, no, monthly. Tapos yung kanyang coverage is million, of course, no, for LCB. So very generous talaga tayo mag-give, no, ng protection when it comes to PA plus yung product niya. Tapos meron rin siyang daily hospital income na I think parang 5 days. So testament na very generous si ProLife UK. Imagine, no, under contestability, 31 years old, walang anything, no, walang history, ganyan. So katulad ng sinasabi natin, nag-undergo siya ng na investigation. So nanghingi rin ng mga proof si ProLife UK kung meron bang usage ng kanyang mga HMO, ganyan. So ano naman, na-provide naman natin yon before the application. So ang bilang ay from 2023 pababa. So 23, 22, 21, 2020 to 2019, ayun yung kinover, ayun yung hiningan kung meron bang usage ng HMO or dun sa pre-employment niya, ano yung mga laboratories na ginawa, no, bago siya i-hire nung 2020. Yun. Tapos ang isa pa is the good news is ayun, na-approve nga siya kahapon. So yung Monday talaga, hindi lang kaagad ako nakapag-update sa inyo, team, pero sobrang saya ko to focus doon sa kanyang recovery, no. At the same time, ako na yung nag-process nung claims niya. So very thankful tayo doon. Of course, pati doon sa kay BM, no, sa staff natin, no, kahit na pa medyo I think hindi naman siya super tagal kasi imagine na comply namin yung mga requirements on March 5. Process na pinagdaanan natin sa claims, no. Una, edi syempre kung ano yung specific na hinihingi for the LCB na merong CKD, so dialysis report, etc. Ayan, so sobrang happy ni client kasi ako rin super happy ko, no, kasi malaking tulong ito para sa recovery niya. At the same time, hindi niya na worry yung pampaaral ng anak niya. So we deliver the promise, no, and also this is a good news, no, to our clients because you can share this good news, no. Hindi naman siya super good news kasi syempre may nag-claims, no, pero at least we deliver our promise to our clients. Yun lang, guys. So good morning.